I finished cleaning this up. Now I need to build a pad here from this point to this point, and for this distance where this C shape gets mounted. It's not straight. I'm gonna load that up with JB Weld steel reinforced, and I put the head support here and this square so I can mount this here and put sandpaper on the back of that. So it's gonna be sitting like this with sandpaper on the back, and I have a spacer here, brass spacer. So clamp this down and then remove this spacer from here. So now it sits down on this, and while I sand, I'm just gonna press against the way. Just sand that, and actually I'm gonna mount this into an angle so it's not leaving me a ridge here, so it's gonna be shifted a bit. Just rub here until I get this surface flat, because it's so bad. It's terribly. If you look at the gaps I have here and here, it's really bad. And here at the front. The other side looks better, but I'm gonna start with this one, the bad one. So I need to build some sort of a dam or something. I bought this mat, polypropylene mat. I'm thinking to clamp it here on the surface and have it up enough so I can rest on it. That spatula I'm spreading the bondo, I can rest on this ridge here, that mat, and I'll have to find something on the other side. Doesn't need to be perfectly accurate. Gonna just put 1 millimeter more than I need and just gonna sand it down after that. So